I think we're all pretty familiar with the signs of lower urinary tract diseases in cats. Plaqueuria, the stranguria. Periuria may be a new word for you, and it's proof that you can just take any two Latin words, smash them together, and get a new word. So peri means around, uria means to urinate, literally means urinating around. So anywhere outside a litter box. Dysuria, hematuria, and it's common. It accounts for about 4.6 or 5% of cats that present in practice, and it seems like it's even more than that because they're frustrating. They come in as emergencies. It kind of disrupts the day. A lot of what we know or think we know about feline urinary tract disorder in cats comes from a fairly old study. It's 1997. It was a case control study. And the way case control studies work is you have an affected animal, and then you find a very similar but unaffected animal. So same age, same sex, but unaffected. And you try to compare the two and find out what's different. And this study said that age didn't matter. I'm going to argue that actually it does matter. Gender doesn't matter. We know that just as many males as females are affected. We just know about the males or remember them better because they're the ones that came in on emergency. Neuter status didn't seem to matter. Now, here's a little bit of a problem with the study. If you look at this, sleeping inside, indoors more than 21 hours a day, litter tray only, all of this speaks to one thing, and that is indoor cats. Indoor cats are at higher risk than outdoor cats. I don't know about your cat, but my cat has asked that the next time we move that we just sell him with the furniture because he ain't coming again. Geographic moves very, very stressful. We know from the study that dry food was associated with an increased risk. And then here, this kind of speaks to the same thing that these do. Access to prey, outside cats have a lower incidence. But at least this tells you what you can do the next time you have a cat with flu to come in. Just tell the owner to let mice out loose in the house, and that should be just fine. But seriously, what it's speaking to all of this is indoor cats are overrepresented. There's a more recent study. This one's from 2011. It's already getting a little old, but it was 179 affected cats. Again, a case control study, so an affected animal, and then they looked at an unaffected animal. And what they found was that higher body weight, so cats that are overweight, overconditioned, are more likely to be affected. Cats that live in a multi-cat household, right? Again, indoor cats living with multiple other cats, fearful or nervousness of strangers, right? So multi-cat household and kind of strung out, nervous. Litter box only, again, living inside. Less access to outdoors, again, indoor cats at higher risk. Exhibit less hunting behaviors. Again, this probably goes with fearfulness and nervousness, and then recent moves. So there's a couple of things we get out of these two studies. One is cats don't like to move. Cats don't like being indoors, or being indoors stresses them out, and living with other cats can be stressful. So a number of things that we can glean immediately from these two studies.